What's the meaning of clementine? Clementine. Clementine.
Clementine. Clementine. A clementine is a small, sweet citrus fruit that is a hybrid between a mandarin orange and a sweet orange. It has a thin, easy-to-peel skin and is typically seedless. The fruit is usually eaten fresh, either on its own or in salads, desserts, and smoothies. Clementines are a good source of vitamin C, fiber, and other nutrients. They are also low in calories, making them a healthy snack option. Overall, clementines are a delicious and nutritious fruit that are popular among both adults and children.